Also guys, and if you're in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the retouching process for this image on your screen right now. So let's get started with the video. What's up guys, and if you're here, before you continue with this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and also turn on my notifications to notify whenever I drop a new video. Now right now I've already done some adjustments in Lightroom. Let me just show you guys a quick before and after of this image. So this before and after in Lightroom. So I've not yet moved over to Photoshop, where I shall do more adjustments and all of that. So yeah, let me just walk you guys through the adjustments I did in Lightroom. So I increased the temperature a bit, to get a good white balance, and I did the basic adjustments here, as you can see. Try to keep my shadows down when working with dark skin, so that it makes the skin color pop more, and also adjust the blacks for contrast as well. Then I reduce the saturation by a whole lot, so I don't want my colors to be everywhere. I added some fade in the tone curve, brought the shadows down, brought the highlights of the reds down and the blues up, so I can add a little bit of blues in the highlights here. So my HSL right now, I reduced the saturation of my green. I didn't want the green to be too much. I reduced the saturation of my blue and a bit from the other color as well, and change the hue of my green as well. The split toning part is basically just basic thing here. The shadows, I choose a color that will fit a skin tone, and then the highlights, I chose a shade of blue for the highlights. I sharpened the image a bit in details and played a little bit with camera calibration till I get what I was fine with. So now let's move on to Photoshop, where I did a bit more adjustments in this image. So this is just kind of a walkthrough of what I did in Lightroom. So just a few adjustments here and there, but I think Photoshop that got most of the looks that I wanted for this image. So let's move on to Photoshop. So we are here in Photoshop, and the first thing I want to do here in this image is to first thing I want to do here with this image is to basically mask and cover up her hands here. So what I did here was I imported another image from the set. So I imported another image right here. I put it below the layer, and then I basically masked it. Yeah. So you can check out my masking tutorial if you don't understand how masking works. So this is basically what I did here. So I masked it so I can cover up everything. Yeah, so that was basically what I did here in this image. I know I didn't do the best work here in particular, but this was just for demonstration purposes to show you guys how everything came about in the image. So put that together, and then the next thing I'm going to do here is the skin retouching. I'm just going to do this real quick, and frequency separation. So I will fasten this. So if you want to know my skin retouching process, please check my frequency separation tutorial. The link will be in the bio or description, yeah. So let me start with the skin retouching for this image. So guys, that's just basically the quick skin retouching for this image. So next time I'm going to do here is like the color adjustments and the finishing touches in Photoshop. So next time so I'm just going to move on to my black and white layer and then change it to luminosity. So I'm just going to bring down my reds a bit, like maybe darken our skin a bit, then my yellows as well, so down a bit, so not too much, and then I'll just play around with the brightness of my greens. So next time I'm going to do here is a selective color where I do the little color adjustments and all of that. So over to my reds, bring it down a bit and add a little of yellows to the red. Also move out to my greens, add cyans, magenta, and then the yellow. So you can see how much I've really changed this image right here. So this is basically what I did with this image and how I edited the whole image. So let me just move out to my levels, make it a bit brighter. So this is basically all I did with this image, and I adjusted the colors, changed everything, and do a lot of adjustments. So if you love this video, make sure to subscribe to my own channel for more content like this. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.